It's lighter though. The head is lighter.
Look at that. It's like, that's over 100.
That's well over 100 birds.
Oh yeah, that's like 500 birds. Come on,
Yeah,
man.
it's more than that maybe even.
Yeah. That is just awesome. Are those starlings?
No, they're sandpipers,
Oh,
I think.
I mean, look at that. I mean, and then they all decide to come in and land. But that was the back half. They went out, and then the back half landed. I mean, what is that?
Look at this.
That
Look
is
at this.
so
Look at
cool.
that.
Wave. That is so cool.
So they're trying to, were they creating shades so
I
that
don't
bugs come
know.
up?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
I was hiding around the corner for you to take a swing and jump out.
Oh.
But this is better.
Look at that.
They must be following clouds of bugs or something.
Well, okay, now
They gotta be
a couple
feeding.
of them.
It's not just to
A
run
couple
around.
of them land.
Oh, did you
Some
hear
of them-
that?
Amazing.
Some of
Enough
them are
already.
landing,
Wow.
and then they do
No.
the old swirl and they're up again.
Sculptural.
Yeah, look at
Now they're
that.
coming
Some
in.
come in.
So why do they come back in?
What is good? This would be great to know.
Look at that.
That is amazing.
They're all right there.
There it is.
Who's going to run out there and run them off so I can get a good film?
Who's got a pitching wedge?
I got a pretty good arm. Hang on.
Great on the phone. Oh, that's cool. Here it is.
Whoa, that was.
Yeah, but out of all that
Look at
dip,
that.
out of all that dip, there's only one little divot.
There's your
Like,
own bird.
trying to get caught up.
Oh, he's right back in there. Is there?
Oh.
There's another group way out there.
We're gonna have schisms within the
Yeah, We're going this way, Bob.
I'm not following you anymore. Look at dive bombers right there.
Yeah.
Just to go rejoin them.
All right, there's the other group. Huh. That's pretty cool.